All right, we got Kade on the Mini X. Here's the 20-foot concealed comfort. Really nice. It's got the Millennium swivel and swing chairs in there. Kade has dug the hole already. Built a little ramp in there because what we're gonna do is drag it in there. And we got some strings in there for leveling it. And right now what we're about to do is fill it in a little bit more, level it up, and we'll be able to drag it in there. Easy.
That's slick, baby.
Master operator here. Check this out. Boy, what you know about that? What do you know about that?
It's too easy, son.
Oh yeah.